Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Everybody knows my name, shit. I'ma have this whole fucking game list, spitting with the same wit, and I'm gonna be famous.
Hey, this is Scooby of King TJ Production. I'm here to show you guys how to change your braking tail light on your car. So what I have to do is, I just purchased those online and I end up getting the wrong one. So hope you order the right one, because mine's flashing when I'm driving. So don't get the one that flashes when you're driving, because you get a big ass ticket for that. So hey, I didn't tell you to order it. But what it does, when you press the brake, it flashes like 4 or 5 times. So this person that's behind you know that you gotta hit the brake, or you close to another vehicle, so you could slow down instead of hit your shit.
Man, I just wanna be famous.
And I'm not playing any more games. Either put me on the charts or I'll put you up in flames. Better recognize art, cause I don't forget names. Should've seen me from the start, coming at you like a train. Think I'm about to fall apart every single fucking day, seeing all these damn stars with my well-deserved fame. And I spit these gold bars while they spitting out shit. Man, I give this shit hard, but it gives me back pain. I wanna be a spectacle, they skeptical, but man, I got that chemical, exceptional. I do it all intentional, professional, so I can make that decimal incredible. I'm not thinking, man, they're saying that I've gone insane. I'm not ever gonna make it, cause the game has changed. I'm not good enough, man, no, that's not okay. Tell me that shit again and I'll stop your brain.
I just wanna be the greatest. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Man, I just wanna be famous.
Now wake up, you got some shit to do. It's 6 a.m, I don't care, you got some shit to prove. Cause right now, you ain't got nothing that big to lose. So get your ass to work and don't you dare hit snooze. Can't stop this, I'm obnoxious.
Well, if you had watched this video, thank you for watching. And please leave a comment and like. And make sure you share this video to any person that you know. And that will work out. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.
Cause I'm nothing, but I'm all in.